Hey, I just found this website where you can make money clicking on boxes. Check it out. And boom, I just made $25.50. Let me show you how. Hey, would you like to win some free money? Well, all you have to do is subscribe to this channel, hit the like button, share this video, and type a number that will pop up somewhere in this video. Type it down in the comments below. It's going to help you increase your chances of winning the free money once I reach 8,000 subscribers. Now let's get into this video. Welcome to AppGrind TV with your boy Reggie P, and I help entrepreneurs make money on autopilot. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get paid $10 just by clicking on boxes. Now, before I get into this method, I need you to do me a favor and do this. Hit that subscribe button and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss any videos that I drop. And give me a like. It really helps out my channel and it helps out this video to be seen by more people on YouTube. And drop a comment down below if you have any questions. Any questions at all about this video. Now please watch this video all the way to the very end because a number is going to pop up somewhere in this video. As soon as you see that number, type it down in the comments below. It's going to help you increase your chances of winning free money once I reach 8,000 subscribers. Now without further ado, let me hop over here to this site and show you this method. Let's grind and let's get it. Okay guys, I'm at this website. Name of this website is Family Clicks. So on this website, you can earn money with your family. Our innovative features for members give you flexibility and more earning potential. They have a fast and simple registration, complete easy tasks daily, receive fast and stable payments. So Family Clicks is designed from scratch. Our innovative features for members give you flexibility and more earning potential. We are always ready to take any advice into consideration. So you can earn up to 2 cents per click, earn up to 2 cents per referral click, earn up to $10 per referral upgrade, detailed statistics, affordable upgrade plans, safest and easiest way to earn online. Now the total paid out is over $688,000. Total members is over 452,000. They have 19 new members today. Yesterday they had over 10,000 members. And yesterday ads was 1,750. So you will be viewing ads on here. That's one of the tasks you can do. Now I have an account, guys. So what I'm going to do is log in and show you how it looks inside. And also I'm going to show you how you can click on boxes and make money. Okay guys, I'm inside my account. And as you can see here on the left, you have account summary, add funds, upgrade count, withdraw, and promotional tools. So you can also advertise on here too. Now what I'm going to do is click right here where it says add money. And as you can see here, all the different ways to make money on here. You got view advertisement, bonus game, flip the coin, paid to sign up offers, family grid, the payment proof, bonus, offer walls, referral contests, and point contests. So what we're going to do is go to family grid. And here's the grid right here. So Click's grid clone is easy to play. Just click anywhere on the picture and win up to 50 cents that goes directly into your account balance. Each click will open up a sponsored site that you will have to view up to 10 seconds. After this time has passed, you will know if you are a winner or not. So all you do is click anywhere on here. So if you look at the stats right here, chances left 20. And it just shows how many clicks and the winnings. And guys, right here, down here it says click or reset daily at midnight server time. So best time to win clicking on these boxes after midnight. I know that's kind of late, but that's the best time to win. Right now it's like in the evening while I'm filming this, so if I click on here, I'm not going to get any ads going to pop up right now. So that's the only thing, guys. So you need to get on here early to earn some money clicking on these little boxes, these little grids. But you have several other ways, as I showed you earlier, to make money. So I'm going to click again up here where it says earn money. So here are all these ways to make money. So what I'm going to do is click where it says view advertisements. Okay guys, as you can see here, they have all these different ads right here. Here's the bonus ads, extended ads. You have the standard ads. You can get 25 cents for each click. Micro ads, tiny ads, and mini ads. So this is another way you can get paid, guys, is clicking on these ads. And the last thing I want to show you guys right quick is the Family Click Unique contest. So unlimited prizes depend on each member effort. Prizes will be given for the top 10 winners. Earn up to 25 cents for each active referral. So as you can see here, this person got a prize of $25.50. This person $19. This person $15, $12, $7. So this is another way you can make some money, guys. Okay guys, that's it. That's all I'm going to say about this website. So to get started, go ahead and go to familyclicks.com. Alright, thank you for watching this video all the way to the very end. Before you click away, don't forget to hit that like button for me. And drop a comment down below if you have any questions about this method. And please share this all around the internet, because I really want to help everybody I can to make money online and become financially free. And last but not least, please hit that subscribe button and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss any videos that I drop, because I make videos like this every other day. Okay guys, one last thing I just want to say is scroll down and check out my store. It's called AppGrind TV store. I have some t-shirts that you can get, some mugs you can get that represents AppGrind TV. So if you want to represent AppGrind TV, go get that merch down under this video. Plus the proceeds going back into this channel so I can grow this channel and have better videos, better quality videos. So help this channel to grow. And also guys, as we grow, I'm going to keep giving out free money. So this is going to benefit you guys in the long run. You're going to have some cool gear, and also you'll be able to win some more prizes as I start to grow. Alright guys, thanks again, really appreciate it. Let's go, let's get it, let's get to 8,000 subscribers. And on that note, get your grind on, because the grind is real. Please go check out these other videos until my next one come out. Peace and have a prosperous day.